Hello everyone, today I wanted to teach how to make Oreo cookie cake. So for this we need Oreo biscuits and some milk. So first we have to make the Oreo biscuits into powder. So for that we have to add the biscuits into the jar and then grind it to fine powder. So yeah, just crush it to adjust the cap. So now the powder is ready. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. This milk is like general 2% milk I have taken. And now make it into a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. So now pour the paste into a cup. So the cup you have to take the microwavable cup because we will be microwaving this for 2 minutes. So add all this batter into this cup and make sure it won't fall outside. So add it slowly and carefully. Cupcake usually it's like it very much, like my son wanted to eat this and he was asking me to make this. Just once you add all this dough into the cup, clean the edges with a clean paper towel. I was trying to add everything. First I thought of making 2 cupcakes, but the batter was good enough to only 1 cupcake. So I added everything into this cup and then clean those edges. And once you clean everything, you have to tap the cup on the floor twice so that all the air gaps if you have in the cup, they are going to get adjusted and you will get a nice and fluffy cake. So now keep this, now tapping is done. Now keep the cup in the microwave and add 2 minutes timer. Once the 2 minutes are done, yeah, now the cupcake is ready and you have to take it out and then leave it on the countertop. Let it become cool before you use it. So yeah, this is the final product. This is really very tasty and yummy. You can just try it. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.